Welcome back, everyone. I'm going to give you a minute to go and get your stretchy pants on because today we're making creamy Tuscan chicken pasta. Oh, this is going to be good. Let's go. All right, so let's start by cooking the chicken in a hot oiled skillet till you get an internal temperature of 165 degrees. And of course, that nice golden brown color. I'm using chicken tenders. It's what I had in the fridge, but of course you can use chicken breasts. You might want to cut them into tenders sizes. That way it doesn't take too long to cook because afterwards you're going to chop it up anyways. Once you get that nice golden brown colors you see here in 165 degree temperature, you're ready for the next step. So to that same skillet, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of butter and a drained jar of sun-dried tomatoes. And get that melted, cooked a little bit, and then we're going to add a bag of baby spinach to it and get that wilted down as well. Then we're going to add to it a 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. Can we just take a moment to just marvel in this beautiness? Raise your hand if you would just dive into that skillet right now. So now let's add some pepper and Italian seasoning. Okay, so now let's add our Parmesan cheese. Get that stirred in there and get it nicely melted. After you get your cheese in there and melted, we're gonna add our chicken that we cut up into bite-sized pieces. Get that stirred in there, combined real well, and then we're gonna check on our pasta. Okay, so it looks like our pasta is ready to go. Let's drain it, add the sauce and chicken into the pot, stir it real well so that we can plate it up. There you go. Remember, even if it's family, make it nice. Look at there. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy the recipe. As always, thank you for watching. Come back for more and eat well, my friends. Eat well.